Hey peeps, welcome back to your Sweet Life channel. This is Maggie and the Salvador's bringing you to Tokyo, Japan. Today we're going to explore Tokyo via hop on hop off. We bought tickets from Klook. It's around 1,714 per person. We came from Sugama Station and just arrived at the Tokyo Station. I will try to get stamps from all the stations we will ride and keep these as a souvenir. I bought stamp passport notebook from Muji and I'm so excited to fill this up with all things about Tokyo. We're here na in Marunouchi building. So, ito yung Tokyo Station. There you go. Ang Tokyo Station. Pag-akyat mo lang sa Marunouchi exit kasi we need to go to the hop-on-hop first stop. Mamaya tatawid tayo dyan. And then now, we're here. It's 8:15 in the morning. Tatawid na tayo because the bus will leave at exactly 9:10. We'd have to exchange our hop-on hop-off Klook voucher at the first station. We're getting the red course today. They have a professional English speaking guide, and on top of that, there's a multilingual audio guidance available in English, Spanish, French, and other languages.
Good morning. Good morning. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. We're going up. Oh my gosh. Okay, first hop on hop off bus in Tokyo. Here's how to do it, okay? So you pay for the tickets or you exchange the vouchers and then put it in and then you choose. So the Skyhop bus is a spacious, roofless, open-top bus. This is gonna be a bus tour where you get on and off whenever you like. We're getting the red course, and this route mainly travels around the must-see attractions on the eastern side of Tokyo. So, ang red course, it offers the most authentically Japanese experience kasi nagpo-focus ito sa Tokyo's Old Town or what they call Shitamachi, as well as a variety of historic areas. Here, you can also enjoy Tokyo's most iconic landmarks. So here's the map that they will give you kapag sumakay ka na. So we're not going to stop to all of the stations. We're only choosing Asakusa and Ueno since we're kind of hectic today and we are actually nearing the Tokyo Sky Tree Tower. And we're not going down kasi maganda na yung view from here. And we do not want to go up because we really have a hectic schedule today. So, there you go. Okay, so we're going to hop off sa R5 or Asakusa Hanawado stop. And we are just going to walk going to the Sensoji Temple. As you can see, there are a lot of cherry blossoms on the side. So we will make sure to take a leisurely walk going to Sensoji Temple kasi first time namin ma-witness ang cherry blossoms in Tokyo.
Bye.
While crossing the street, we saw this. In Asakusa, you can find rickshaws everywhere. It's just outside of the train or bus station, you'll find streets lined with man-powered carts. Parang sa Pilipinas, 'di ba, yung meron tayong karitela, but instead of horses, dito a man or woman is carrying the passengers. So we're going inside. This is Kaminarimon. Its name means Thunder Gate. So this grand landmark is hard to miss. This is a spot where many gather to take photos. This is the outer of two large entrance gates that ultimately lead to the Sensoji Temple. Within the vicinity also stands a 5-storied pagoda. This is the map of the whole Sensoji Temple area. Chozuya is where you go to purify yourself before you enter the main hall. You sprinkle some water on your hands and mouth. I will share the common and right way to wash hands when you visit temples. First, give a slight bow towards the water basin. Hold the dipper with your right hand to pour water on your left hand. Switch hands and pour water on your right hand. Switch hands again, cup your left and pour water inside. You can put your wet hand to your mouth or cheek or where you feel you need cleansing. Rinse your left hand once more. Pour out the remaining water from the dipper. Dip it one last time in the water for a final cleansing, then return to its place. Sensoji Temple, also known as Asakusa Canon, is the city's oldest religious building. It's a Buddhist temple that is one of the most colorful and popular. Admission to the temple is free. The grounds are always open, while the main hall is open daily from morning to early evening. You can also find the altar here, and there are souvenir items. You can buy charms called omamori inside the temple. And if you are interested to learn what the future holds, it costs 100 yen. After visiting the main hall just outside, you can find the 5-storied pagoda. So pagkatapos ng main hall, we proceed to the large incense burner that's called Jokoro. Sabi nila, you have to cover yourself with as much of the fragrant smoke rising and you'll purify yourself, body and soul. Some tourists even try to cover their heads with the smoke-forming clouds because they believe that by healing their heads, they will become wiser. So prayers were made along with personal intentions, some of which are that I and the whole family are always grateful and thankful for safe travels and good health. Yung incense nga pala, it costs around 100 yen when you buy it. Now we are going southbound to explore more of the place. Ang cute may nakakimono. Wish ko sa next trip magawa na namin ito ni hubby. Now we're at the Hozomon Gate, the Treasure House Gate, which is what awaits those who's going to the streets of Nakamise Dori. This is the inner of the two large entrance gates to the Sensoji Temple. It has 2 statues, 3 lanterns, and 2 large sandals. Nakamise Dori is a shopping street. It's a 250-meter-long promenade that greets you as you pass through the Hozomon Gate. Its traditional architecture and its proximity to the famous Sensoji Temple are why tourists can't afford to miss this most famous shopping street. You can buy a great variety of street foods and snacks, traditional arts and crafts, clothes, kimonos, accessories and toys, dolls, lanterns, ref magnets, and a whole lot more. So there you go. natapos na natin ang Sensoji Temple. We're going to the next bus stop, yung R6, Asakusa Tawaramachi. And we will ride here papunta naman sa Ueno Station. And this has been Maggie. Please help me create more informational travel videos. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll know when there's a new vlog coming. Arigato gozaimasu and see you sa Ichiran and Ueno Escapade ng fam. Safe travels everyone and be kind always. Bye!